Hello boys and girls, this is CM Mohit Agarwal here, and yes, CBSE class 12 examinations have been cancelled. So not only CBSE, in fact ISC exams, CBSE exams, all the board exams of class 12 have been cancelled, and the state board's fate is also going to be the same, let me tell you, right? So this is a major breaking coming out. Why? Because PM Modi, Rajnath Singh and Education Minister, who is currently hospitalized because he is himself suffering from COVID-19. Okay, they are all of the view that lives cannot be put to danger, and will be giving them the marks on a basis of internal assessment and maybe on the basis of average marks scored by them in class 9, 10 and 11, right? So internal assessment of class 12 and average marks of maybe class 9, 10 and 11. Some sort of formula will be derived, and ultimately the students will be given the opportunity to get their mark sheet. Now this is a welcome news, because right now when the nation is at the peak, yes, the cases are reducing, but still we are having more than 1 lakh cases every day, and it's a welcome news for the class 12 students. I'm sure that the professional course students must be wondering that if their exams have been cancelled, the age difference is not much, right? Only 1 or 2 years age difference might be there between the class 12 students and the foundation students, max or inter students. Maximum 1 to 2 years age gap is there, but government does realize it and cancel CBSE class 12 exam. And let us see. As of now, all the other exams, CMA Institute has postponed, CS Institute has postponed, CA Institute has decided to go ahead with the exams of the foundation starting from 24th of June, and of the inter and final from the July. And let's see how it goes. Okay, and I'll keep you updated with every news which comes, and I'll also guide you. Do not worry, I'll also guide you. So don't worry about that. And for the class 12 students who are already undergoing my foundation classes, do comment in this video that how are you liking the classes. Okay, there are many class 12 students, more than 300 class 12 students who are in class 12, but they have already joined our foundation batches. So do comment in the comment box of the video that I told you or not whether the exams are going to cancel. I told you the fate of the exams will be that the exams are going to cancel, and here it is. The government cannot put risk so many lives, and they have cancelled the exams. And also comment, not only comment that I told you or not, also comment how are you liking the classes of MEPL, boys and girls. You have recently joined our foundation batches. How are you liking all the faculties of MEPL? Do comment in the comment box. My recently class 12 students who have joined the foundation classes, and now they have got the news that they are no more in class 12 because they have been promoted on the basis of internal assessment, and the mark sheet will be shared to them. भाई पक्का से कमेंट करके बताओ कैसा लग रहा है MEPL में क्लासेस फाउंडेशन का जो आपने ज्वाइन किया है. चलो, टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ एंड डू शेयर द वीडियो विद मैक्सिमम. ओके, जो भी आपका क्लास 12 का ग्रुप है उसमें ये वीडियो शेयर करिए. और जाते जाते मैं आपको ये अनाउंसमेंट कर दूं, हमारा न्यू लाइव एट होम बैच, यू हर्ड इट राइट, न्यू लाइव एट होम बैच फॉर द फाउंडेशन स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट 8th of June. 8 जून से हमारा नया फाउंडेशन का बैचेस चालू हो रहा है फॉर CA, CS, CMA. न्यू बैचेस लाइव एट होम 8th of June 11 AM. और हाँ, डिस्काउंट ऑफर MEPL 10 को फटाफट हमारे वेबसाइट पे जाकर के एक कोड है MEPL 10, उसको लगा दें www.meplclasses.com, और भारी भरकम डिस्काउंट जो है क्लासेस पर पाएं. मतलब इट इज अवेलेबल एट नॉमिनल कॉस्ट, राइट? 25,000 का कोर्स आपको 18,000 20,000 के बीच में मिल जाएगा ये कोड लगा करके. हार्ड कॉपीज मिलेगा, सब कुछ मिलेगा. चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द क्लास.